is Humphrey. I am going to walk you and your family through a tutorial on using Google Classroom during this remote learning time. So the first thing that I am going to do is type in classroom.google.com. And when I get there, it's going to ask me to log in. You can see I have all of these usernames, and your parent's username might be there. I don't want you to use that. You need to use your CPS user. So to add a new user, you press Use Another Account. And I am going to use Jesus's as an example. His is J.A. Lopez 89 at cps.edu. And it's really important that you put the at cps.edu when you're on the Google sign-in page. Press Next, and it'll bring you to this Chicago Public Schools login. When you get to that login, do not type at cps.edu. So I will just type J.A. Lopez 89, but I won't put the at cps.edu, and I will put the password that Ms. Haskey or myself assigned you. And if you have a question about what your password is, you can send me a text or an email and I will tell you what your password is. I'm going to press sign in. You can save it if you'd like. I'm not going to because that's not my account. And I'm going to press continue. When I do that, it's going to show me all of the different Google Classrooms that Jesus is a part of. I'm going to click on Team Haskey Humphrey. And there are a few things I want to highlight. One area is this upcoming section where it tells you some things that are due. This stream to me is very overwhelming. I want to tell you the easiest way to keep track of your assignments. Click on classwork. And here's one way to keep track of them, which is some of them are blue and some are gray. The ones that are gray, Jesus has pressed turn in. So he might have finished all of these, but in order for me to grade them, you need to press that turn in button, which I will show you how to do. But I think an even easier way to look at your assignments is to click on Google Calendar. So again, I'm going to show you. I was on this page, I clicked on classwork, then I click on Google Calendar. When I do that, it brings up what looks kind of like our agenda at school, our assignment notebook at school. So for next week, I can see on Monday, I have a Chapter 10 math quiz due. Some of you have already finished that. And also WIT Chapter 3-4 is due. What's nice is when you click on what's due that day, you can also click on the link that takes you right to the assignment. As you can see here, when I make this full screen, it's already been turned in. Jesus pressed the turned in button. For example, if there were an assignment he didn't press the button for, let's check this one. He needs to press mark as done when he's finished. So make sure that you're pressing that mark as done button, when you are finished. Also, you'll notice on the calendar that every day from 10 to 11, Ms. Haskey is available to answer questions. You don't need to go on every day to talk to her. Only go on if you or your parent has a question, or you want her to explain something to you, or you just want to check in. You do not have to. You can go in every day if you'd like, but you definitely don't have to. The way you get in, when you click on it, you either click Join Hangout, or you call this phone number, join by phone, and type in that PIN. So those are the two ways to join a Hangout. Either press Join Hangout or join by phone. You don't need to do anything else. We're not going to keep posting the link because we're going to be on there every day. So from 10 to 11, Ms. Haskey will just have her computer open and she'll be available in the Hangout if anyone needs her. The same is true for me. I will be available from 12 to 1. So you can click here or here. The last thing that I want to show you is our schedule for remote learning. So we're going to start with office hours. Ms. Haskey will start the day from 10 to 11, being available for any questions. Okay? Then Ms. Haskey is going to every day post some sort of video. On Mondays, she'll post a grammar mini lesson. On Tuesdays, she'll post a reading strategy lesson. Wednesdays, she'll read the book. Thursdays, she'll read the book. And on Fridays, she'll usually host a Quizlet. Your work is down here, and we will send this to your parents, but your work will be to do some grammar Google Slides, to do close reading Google Slides, grammar Google Slides, close reading Google Slides, and then on Friday you'll also have a written response to the book that we're reading. We'll post every day a Go Noodle video where you can do a move break at home with your family. Then I will be available from 12 to 1 to answer any questions. Every day I will post a video, just like Miss Haskey's going to post a video of grammar and of reading strategies and of read-alouds. I'm going to post a math video every day. And then every day I will also post a Google form and practice on Khan Academy. So every day you need to log in and watch Miss Haskey's video, do Miss Haskey's assignment. Then watch my video, do my assignment. There's also, I'm going to be posting some meditation and yoga in the afternoon. And then at the end of the day, we will also post either science slides to work on about weather or social studies slides to work on that are about the Midwest region. So this will be kind of your assignments every day. You will always watch a video from Miss Haskey and do a lesson for Miss Haskey. Watch a video from me and do a lesson for me, and then you will always do either a science or a social studies slide, okay? If you have any questions about that, join Miss Haskey's office hour on Monday starting at 10 a.m. or join my office hour on Monday starting at noon. We will be available every day during those office hours, okay? So if you have any questions, please join, and you know how to get a hold of us. Also, if you don't have access to Google Classroom or a computer, you can go to the school and they have paper copies of assignments you can do on paper. Again, if you have questions about that, please reach out. I can't wait to start seeing you guys again on Monday. Hope you've had a good spring break. Enjoy your weekend and stay well.